Been watching a lot of test match cricket over the Christmas holidays, and something jumped out at me during the India-Australia second test. That 6-wicket partnership between Indian skipper Ajinkya Rahane and all-rounder Ravindra Jadeja, that century-plus partnership that basically set up the game for India. The way these two batsmen built the partnership, the sense of responsibility, the professionalism, the decision-making, the sense of awareness that this is test match cricket. India was in control, and smart situational cricket was the order of the day. And inevitably, the comparison came to mind. Why can't West Indian batsmen apply themselves similarly? Is it really that our batsmen are not technically equipped to play test cricket? Or is it that they are not temperamentally willing to play proper test match innings? And look, let us say the West Indian batters don't have the same level of technical skills as the Indian batsmen. That, to my mind, makes it even more critical that they apply themselves even more. I'm sorry, but what I see from the Indian batsmen are batsmen who value their wickets, value their performances, and value their pride. West Indian batsmen have no such desire, discipline, or pride in playing West Indies cricket. For them think of the swipe and go in. Yes, I'm trying to get a T20 contract.